7 facts about the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. Be a part of the fastest growing region in the world. Do you know if your country belongs or works with ASEAN? ASEAN stands for the Association of Southeast Asian Nations. It was established on August 8, 1967 in Bangkok, Thailand by the founding nations, namely Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand. 5 other countries joined in later, namely Brunei Darussalam, Vietnam, Lao PDR, Myanmar, and Cambodia. The founding fathers had a vision of a small grouping of countries in Southeast Asia. From an impoverished region, the leaders spoke prosperity in 1967, and more than half a century later, steps toward economic prosperity are being realized. Find out more about this grouping. Let's begin. Number 1, it is comprised of the 10 ASEAN member states, namely Brunei Darussalam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Lao PDR, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam, with a combined total population of 650 million. ASEAN has its own anthem about peace, prosperity, and the ASEAN way. Cambodia is the chair of ASEAN in 2022. The chairmanship of ASEAN rotates each year among the 10 ASEAN member states. Number 2, it's an association with headquarters in Jakarta, Indonesia. The ASEAN Secretariat is the coordinating body. Staff come from the 10 ASEAN member states with specific expertise on varying areas such as economics, international relations, diplomacy, health, education, environment, science and technology, disaster management, and the likes. Number 3, it is different from East Asia, namely China, Japan, and the Republic of Korea. ASEAN covers only the specific region of Southeast Asia. Timor Leste is applying to become the 11th ASEAN member state. Number 4, it is funded by the ASEAN member state. The ASEAN member states give equal contribution in millions of US dollars for ASEAN operation and projects. Before we proceed, if you are enjoying this video, please press the like button and subscribe and leave a comment below. Let's proceed to the 5th fact about ASEAN. Number 5, economics is at the forefront while political security and social cultural areas are also priorities. The Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership or RCEP is the largest trading agreement in the world with 15 countries and 2 billion people involving the 10 ASEAN member states plus Australia, China, Japan, New Zealand, and the Republic of Korea. By 2030, RCEP is expected to bring 263 billion US dollars in income a year, 2.6 million jobs, and 496 billion USD in exports. In the political security area, the Treaty of Amity and Cooperation, the Southeast Asia Nuclear Weapon Free Zone Treaty, combating transnational crime, human rights, maritime cooperation, and other issues are managed. In the socio-cultural area, education, health, environment, cultural, and other areas are handled, such as the ASEAN Civil Service, the future of work, prevention and control of non-communicable diseases, technical and vocational education and training, sports, youth, digital economy, etc. The ASEAN member states launched the ASEAN Community in December 2015 to reaffirm ASEAN's commitment to peace, freedom, and prosperity for the people as established by the ASEAN founding fathers in 1967. Number 6, it has many external partners. There are 11 dialogue partners, namely the 10 countries, Australia, Canada, China, India, Japan, the Republic of Korea, New Zealand, the Russian Federation, the United States, and more recently the United Kingdom, and one organization, that is the European Union. There are 4 sectoral dialogue partners, namely Norway, Pakistan, Switzerland, and Turkey. There are 4 development partners, namely Chile, France, Germany, and Italy. ASEAN has also established regional cooperation mechanisms such as the ASEAN Plus 3 comprised of 13 countries, namely the 10 ASEAN member states plus China, Japan, and the Republic of Korea, and the East Asia Summit comprised of 18 participating countries, namely the 10 ASEAN member states plus Australia, China, India, Japan, New Zealand, the Republic of Korea, Russian Federation, and the United States. Number 7, it works with many nations on many important regional and global issues and concerns. Every year, the ASEAN leaders meet at the ASEAN Summit with dialogue partners in October or November. They discuss accomplishments, challenges, and future prospects on many issues such as health, education, environment, energy, disaster management, finance, ASEAN connectivity, trade, economic security, and many other regional and global issues of mutual interest and concern. Which of these items surprised you about ASEAN? Do you know other facts about this regional grouping? If you haven't seen the first video on 10 jobs in international relations, please check it out on the link below. To help you do your purpose in life, a healthy lifestyle is important. Check out my ebook, 50 Easy Recipes to Start a Plant-Based and Healthy Lifestyle, available on Amazon KDP on the link below. I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you in the next one.